this video, I'm going to show how to launch a Jupyter notebook session. First, you come to our workbench with the website location. Then you come to the Jupyter environment. We can pick an environment you are interested in, name it, and then you can create a Jupyter session. To access this session, you can click this link here on the right. Now, as you can see, you can access the shared directory through here. And within the shared directory, we have some sample notebooks. I'm also going to show how to upload your own notebooks to it as well. You can click here to upload files. So here I just uploaded a PyTorch MNIST example training. We can click it. So here you have an example notebook where you first import the libraries, you have your model defined, and you train and you test the model. So let's go ahead and run it. All right, so it looks like the training just finished Epic 1, now it's going to Epic 2. So as you can see, here is the steps to run your notebook and upload your own notebook.